you've got a lot of people out there. You got about 60 people.
Doing great.
Doing good.
Doing great.
This is my audience.
Wonderful!
Okie doke. So here's what we've got going on. This is a food panel. Are there anybody under 18? Do you have a parent or somebody with you that can give consent? Okay. So here's the situation. Dangerous situation. We've got knives, we've got electricity, we've got tripping hazards, we've got open flames, and we've got potential allergens in the food. So you guys are going to be exposed to potentially peanuts and other types of things that could make you have an allergic reaction. Is anybody in the vicinity allergic to anything? Peanuts. Anybody else allergic to anything? So if you stay here for this, you're assuming the risks on yourself in case anything happens. Somebody could trip and fall down on you, and anything can happen. So just keep that in mind, okay? With that said, I'm going to turn the time over to Yumi, and you're all potentially going to wind up on her YouTube channel.
Yay! Hi!
Hey!
Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Welcome to my food panel! Today I'm going to make some mapo tofu. Have anybody heard about mapo tofu?
Yes.
Have you had before?
No.
So this is a popular Chinese dish, and you often find it at the restaurants. So it's quite popular, and a lot of people like it. So I'm going to make it today. And the mapo tofu is supposed to be spicy. It's also like numbing. In this ingredient, the spice levelness is turned down, so it won't be very spicy. With just a little bit. Mapo tofu. Ma means numbing, and Pore means grandma, and together it's mapo tofu. So this is the literary meaning of the character. The ingredient I'll be using: the green onion, the tofu, and the meat. I already cooked the meat and I frozen it. And this is the ingredient. And there's some sesame seeds and a black sesame seeds, the red pepper. So firstly, I will make the rice first. And the rice is already washed. This about maybe like 5 cups of rice is enough for everybody. A lot of people, when they cook rice, they will measure how much rice, but I never measured it. It's just the high fail. I'll cut the tofu first. I'm a beginner of making food. My food channel is like a vlog channel. It's like when I make food and when I eat. So it's like cooking and eating channel. The flavor of tofu itself, it has no flavor. You have to mix with something else. And my dad, he doesn't like tofu, but if add special sauce, I think he would like it. I never got chance to cook for him because I'm already married, and so I moved. And when you cut the tofu, and you're supposed to cut like small dice, like a little piece. The size, it just depends on you. It doesn't matter how big it is. Is there any questions you want to ask me? I can answer questions when I make food. Where did you get the Walmart. They have it at Walmart. Yeah, they have it.
They have the sauce too?
I got this at the Chinese supermarket. It's just normal rice. Any rice will do it. This is my first time at the convention. This is my first time cooking in front of people.
Hey. Doing great.
Doing good.
Doing
great. This is my audience.
Before I get married, I didn't cook. My mom usually cooked, but after I got married, I cook sometimes. And since I got a cooking channel, so I cook more than before.
What are some of your favorite Chinese dishes to make?
Hot pot is one of my favorites. Some spicy food, like this one is Sichuan style food, and Sichuan is a province in China, and they have a lot of different kind of spicy food. I like noodles. I like noodles. Prefer noodles noodles more than rice. I also like some the Chinese dessert, the traditional Chinese dessert like Maid porridge. Pork.
Okay, that's a good point. It's pork. If there's anybody with preferences against pork, do not eat it.
This sauce is made so easy to make mapo tofu. It's like no veneer. Regularly people will use a special sauce. It's not this one. It's called doubanjiang, and that one is to make authentic mapo tofu. This one is like Western style mapo tofu, less spicy.
Do you want to go by like a recipe or do you do more like freestyle?
Sometimes recipe and sometimes with freestyle. The freestyle just to make it prettier.
Does Valdosta have a Chinese grocery store?
There's one by me.
There is?
Are you guys having fun this
Yeah.
lunch?
Yes. A mental health.
Yeah, we're getting close. Valdosta's own version of the Cooking Network right here. Here, sweetie, let me help you.
Because I put the sauce, so I will not put any more salt. It's already included.
You've got a lot of people out there. You've got about 60 people.
So after you mix well, and just mix with tofu with the meat. So it's very easy. Is anybody hungry?
Yeah.
This almost done. Are you guys coming tomorrow or just today?
Tomorrow.
The kind of tofu I got is Pore tofu, and they have the kind of tofu that's very soft. You heard like 100 years egg?
Yes.
100 years egg.
Yes.
So in China they did mix with 100 years egg with that soft tofu. And they also cook the shred pork on the top, and they put the vinegar and a little bit salt and some sugar, so it's like a cold dish of tofu.
They put char siu on it?
Dry shred.
Yes, okay.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
Do you guys want me to add more spicy on it? Or, okay.
Cook it like you normally cook.
Okay.
Be authentic with it.
Because I'm afraid I might make it too spicy. I make sure it's fully cooked.
It smells good. I don't know if you can smell it back there, but I can smell it up here.
This pepper, it will make your tongue like numb. Have you had that feeling?
Yeah.
Well, I won't put a lot then. I'll just put a little bit.
Like deep fried it or anything like that? Yeah.
I haven't do this, but my husband did it. I haven't done this before. The fried tofu.
Did you like it?
Yes, I like it. You can actually use this one to fry.
Oh, okay.
What person or individual or event inspired you to want to be interested in this?
It's my mom.
And if you have a Pinterest, what would you pin?
Fashion styles.
What fashion would you say?
Anime-inspired costumes. I like Lolita fashion. So I'm still learning Lolita fashion to get more into it. I like to wear like a lot of ruffles. I also like the traditional Chinese dress.
Yes.
Hanfu. It has different style. Each dynasty has its own clothing.
Little drink that you eat after your food.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Okay. Yumi's going to be able to serve you guys.
Blame the wind for that one. Apologies.
How was it?
Wonderful! Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Was it too spicy?
No. Perfect. Is it just one? It wasn't too spicy.
Thank you. Did you hear? How many?
First time cooking in public. What do you think? Are you tired? How are you feeling?
Tired.
So did it go as fast as you thought, or did it take longer?
Longer than I thought, almost 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Than I Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I'm very happy about it.
Yay!